Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Ford Everest driver's seat. First, locate the adjustment levers or controls, typically found on the side or front of the seat base. To move the seat forward or backward, use the horizontal bar or lever underneath the front of the seat. Push it up and slide the seat to achieve comfortable legroom, ensuring your knees have a slight bend. Then, for height, use the pump lever on the side to raise or lower the seat, finding optimal visibility over the dashboard and clear access to all pedals. Next, let's tackle the seatback recline and lumbar support. The recline lever, usually on the side of the seat, allows you to tilt the seat back to a comfortable angle. Aim for a position where your shoulders remain in contact with the seat. For lumbar support, a dial or lever on the side lets you increase or decrease the curve in your lower back area. This helps maintain your spine's natural S-shape, preventing fatigue on longer journeys and providing excellent support. Now, let's fine-tune the headrest and steering wheel. The headrest is crucial for safety. Adjust its height so the center of the headrest is level with the top of your ears. It should also be as close to the back of your head as comfortably possible, typically within 2 to 4 inches, to offer maximum protection in a rear-end collision. Finally, adjust the steering wheel's tilt and telescopic position so you can comfortably reach it with a slight bend in your arms, ensuring a clear view of the instrument cluster. To complete your adjustments, perform a final comfort check. Sit in your newly adjusted seat and ensure you can comfortably reach all pedals without stretching, and that your arms have a slight bend when holding the steering wheel. Confirm you have an unobstructed view of the road ahead and all dashboard instruments. Take a moment to feel if the seat provides even support and comfort. A properly adjusted seat significantly enhances both safety and driving enjoyment for every journey.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.